this video we will discuss how joins link data from different tables in SQL. A join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a common column between them. It means when we join two or more tables, there should be a common column in it. Now let's see different types of join we use in SQL. First is inner join. Inner join is combined two tables where the condition is it only returns the matching rows from both the tables. Imagine you have a two group, one is from school friends and another is from college friends. An inner join is like a gathering where you only invite the friends who are in both the group. So you get a new group. Similarly, inner join return records that have matching values in both the tables. So you get a new table. Now let's see an example of inner join, how it works. First of all, let me show you the tables which we are going to use. Select all from the orders table. It will return all the data from the selected table. Here we have orders table, and second is products table. Select all from products table. Now select all from table orders table, and after that inner join with the products table on. Now we have common column is product ID, so on product ID from both the table, and now let's run this query. So we can see here we have connected two tables, orders tables and products table with the inner join, and now it returns a common value from both the table. So so this is how inner join works. Now let's see left joins. Left joins return all the rows from the left table and the matching rows from the right table. If there is no match in the right table, it will return null values. If I take example of left join, the left table has information A and the right table has information B. A left join is like inviting everyone from the left group and some from the right group. If people from the left group have the matching information in the right group, they join party. If not, they still show. So this is how left join works. Now let's take an example of left join. Syntax of left join is same as inner join. Select all from orders table. Here we will type left join with products table on common column product ID. Let's run this query. Here we can see it joins all the value from the left table and matching rows from the right table. So this is how left join works. Right join works similarly from left join. Right join returns all the rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. If there is no match in the left table, it will return null values. Right join is the opposite of left join. If I invite everyone from the right table and some from the left table, if there is a match on the left table, it's fantastic. If not, they will still show. So this is how right join works. Now let's take an example of right join. Select all from orders table, type right join with products table on common column product ID, run this query, and here we can see in result table it return all the column from the right table and the common column from the left table. So this is how right join works. A full join return all the rows from both the table including the unmatched rows from the tables. If there is no match in one of the table, null values are returned. Now a full join is like throwing a grand party, inviting everyone from school and college both groups. If any friends in both the group, fantastic. If not, no worries, they will still show. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more data analytics content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.